Assalamu alaikum. So today I will discuss the same point like last lecture, trees. Okay. So let me start from here. Tree. See this definition. This definition: a rooted tree is called an M array. This is array. This is called an M array. M array tree if every internal vertex has no more than m children, no more than n children. Okay, the tree is called a full M array tree if every internal vertex has exactly m children. An M array tree with m equal to 2 is called binary tree. Okay, binary tree. If all internal vertex, if all internal vertices has 2, if has 2 children, then that tree is called binary tree. Okay, so now see this example, then you will understand here. See this example. Note, a binary tree is a tree in which each node has at most two child nodes. Okay, so now see this example. Look over here. Are the rooted trees in figure full M array trees for some positive integer m, for some positive integer m. Okay, so now look this tree t1 here. Here solution of this t1 is a full binary tree because each of its internal vertices has two children. Okay, not more than two children. So you can see here all internal vertices has no more than two children. This has two children here and here, and this vertex has two children. Okay, so this t1 is a full binary tree. Binary means two. All internal vertices has two children, only two, not more than two, not more than two. So you can see, if you see this internal vertex, here only this two. If you see this internal vertex, here only two, here only two, not more than two. So if only two, if all internal vertices has two children, so that tree is called binary tree. That is called binary tree. Binary, right? Now look over here. See this T2, this one. See all one internal vertex. If here see this here 3, this vertex here come how many children? 1, 2, and 3 here. If you see this vertex here, so how many children? 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So all internal vertices. If you see this here, mojo 3, 3, not more than 3, only 3. Okay. So this is called 3 array. 3 array tree. This T2 is a full 3 array tree because each of its internal vertices has 3 children, only 3, not more than 3. Okay, so this T2 is T1 is here 2 array. Okay, and this 2 array is also called binary tree. Binary tree. This is binary tree. If 2 array here, all internal vertices has two children, not more than two children. Okay, so this is called binary tree. And T2 is 3 array. This T2 is 3 array tree. 3 array. Okay, because all internal vertices, because each of its internal vertices has 3 children. Now come over here. T3. See this T3. This one here. See this internal vertices. If you take this internal vertex, how many here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. And here comes this vertex. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 children. Okay. So here in T3, each internal vertex has 5 children. Not more than 5. 5. Okay. So this T3 is full 5 array tree. So T3 is 5 array tree. 5 array tree. Okay. Now come over here. T4. See this T4. T4. T4 is not full M array tree. This is not full M array tree because if you see this internal vertex here, here moju 3, 1, 2, and 3. If you see this one here, 1, 2, and here 3. If you see this internal vertex here, here moju only 2. 2. Okay. So some internal vertices has 3 and one internal vertex has 2. Okay, right? So this is not M array tree. Okay, so this is T4 is not full M array tree. Not full M array tree. Right? Now come to this one. These questions. This example. Draw the generated binary trees represents of this. So look over here, number A. See this number A is this. You have to draw the generated binary tree represents of this number A 3x minus 7 and here xy plus 5z. This one. How to draw this? This is the question. Okay. So now we start from here. Look here. Here two parentheses, 2 bracket here. Okay. Hina mawjud darb, hada darb. So take this darb here. Darb like that. This star, yani darb. Okay. And after that, see the left SR here. SR hina mawjud salib. So SR here, right hina salib. This one. And yamin, right here mawjud here plus. So right here plus. Here plus. Okay. This is darb here, multiply, and from this darb left, if you see the left here mawjud minus, so minus here SR, this one. Okay, and yamin here mawjud plus, so here yamin here, write this plus here. After that, see this minus here, minus mawjud, SR of this minus hina mawjud darb, hina darb mawjud, so SR of this here mawjud darb. Right, and if you see this plus, after this plus left here mawjud darb, so here and this minus left here mawjud darb and here mawjud 7, so right here mawjud 7, this one, and baden this darb here left mawjud SR mawjud talata and yamin mawjud x, so here SR mawjud talata and here amine मौजूद x, this one, right? Now come over here, see this plus, here plus मौजूद, here मौजूद SR दर, so here SR मौजूद दर here, okay, and amine मौजूद हिना दर, amine मौजूद हिना दर, also here दर, okay. After that see this दर here, SR मौजूद x and amine मौजूद y, so from this दर SR मौजूद x here and amine मौजूद y here, and from this दर यानी this SR मौजूद 5 and amine मौजूद z, SR हिना मौजूद 5 and amine मौजूद हिना z, this one. So this is the representation graph of this, right? You can see here, first you start from here plus, so this dar here, so from this dar here मौजूद minus and here मौजूद plus, so here minus and here plus, but then see this minus यानी hada, okay. SR मौजूद हिना dar, there are two functions 3 dar x, so SR मौजूद हिना dar and amine मौजूद here 7, so amine मौजूद here 7, okay. After see this dar यानी here SR मौजूद तलाता है, amine मौजूद x, so here SR मौजूद तलाता है, amine मौजूद x here. After that see this plus यानी this here SR मौजूद हिना two function x dar y, so dar मौजूद between here x, so here dar, okay, and here मौजूद 5z यानी हिना dar मौजूद, so here मौजूद dar. So now see this dar यानी hada left मौजूद x and right मौजूद y, here left मौजूद x and right मौजूद y, and this dar यानी here left मौजूद 5 and right मौजूद z, so left here मौजूद 5 and right मौजूद z, this one. Is it clear? Yes. Now come to this one. Now come to this number b here, number b. See this number b. Number b is this. This is square root b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac. Okay. So now look. First here मौजूद आधा square root. So here square root you write this is q r t square root. This one. Okay. And after square root, see here middle. Here मौजूद minus. So this you can write here minus. And after minus, see the left. Minus see the left here. Here b tarbiya. This is minus यानी hada, and here b tarbiya. B tarbiya यानी b dar b. So b dar b यानी between b here मौजूद dar. Okay. And you can see the right of this minus. Take this together. And here मौजूद dar. So यानी here मौजूद dar. Okay. So after this dar, this is b dar b. यानी here SR मौजूद b and amine मौजूद b. Okay. And after this dar, amine मौजूद here in a dar. amine मौजूद dar and here SR मौजूद 4. And amine मौजूद dar here. Two function a dar c, आधा dar यानी this. SR मौजूद a and amine मौजूद c. Here a and here मौजूद c. This one. See this way. You can see here. Just you look here b tarbiya yani this b tarbiya you can write b dar b. this one. So hada square root yani this class. Square root yani jadar yani this. Baden hada salib here. Okay, and salib serious r salib sr yani hina two function darb hina mawjud. So darb here, and baden darb yasar hada b and yamin hada b. So yasar hada b and yamin hada b. Now see this way here. Hada salib mawjud, yamin. Take hada together, a c together, then hina mawjud darb. Here mawjud darb. So darb here. And baden this darb yasar mawjud arba and yamin mawjud ac. A darb c. तो एसआर मौजूद अरबा एंड यमीन मौजूद ए दर्ब सी. ए दर्ब यानी दर्ब हिना एंड बादेन दर्ब ए एसआर एंड सी यमीन. ए हियर एसआर एंड सी यमीन. दिस वे. Is it clear here or not? Yes. Now come to this last one, number C. See number C here. هنا موجود تقسيم قسمة. So هذا قسمة, هذا إشارة قسمة, هذا قسمة. Right? And بعدين this قسمة شوف يسار. يسار يعني هنا plus. And يمين هنا salib. So yasar hina plus, yamin hina salib. Okay. So now look. Baden this mojab, hina mojab, hina salib. So hina mojab and hina salib. And baden this mojab, hina yasar mawjud x and yamin mawjud y. So hina yasar mawjud x and yamin mawjud y. And look here. Baden this salib, hina mawjud 2 darb x, yani hina darb mawjud. So here still darb over. And hina fakat y mawjud. So hina y. So hina darb. And baden this darb SR मौजूद 2, yamin मौजूद x. Here SR मौजूद 2, yamin मौजूद x. This one. So number C is clear or not? See, number C is this. Number C is this. Here x plus y here. Okay. And hina मौजूद तकसीम आधा 2x minus y. This one. Okay. So hada तकसीम किस्मा यानी this. Right. And from this किस्मा so yasar hada hina मौजूद plus यानी here plus. And yamin hina mawjud minus, yani here minus. Okay. After this plus, here mawjud x, SR x and yamin y. So SR hina x and yamin hina y. Okay. See this minus. After this minus, yamin hada mawjud fakat y. So here yamin fakat y here plus. But here SR hina mawjud 2 darb x, hina darb mawjud. So awwal seal hada darb. Darb and baden yasar 2 and yamin x. So from this darb yasar 2 and here yamin x. This one. Hada 2 and hada x. See this. Is it clear? Yes. You have to start from the middle, between, okay? You have to start from the middle. Right? See here two function, x plus y and qisma 2x minus y, 2 parentheses. So hada middle. So start from here. And then this, so hina yasar and hina yamin. So yasar hina middle mawjud plus, so plus here. Okay? And this plus, yasar of this plus hina x, and yamin of this plus is y. Here x and here y, this way. And then this side, here mawjud middle, here 2x and minus y, 2 function. هذا 2x هذا y هذا middle minus here and بعدين شوف يسار 2x يعني 2 ضرب x तो अव्वल मौजूद ضرب and بعدين this ضرب هنا موجود 2 and هنا موجود x 2 ضرب x يعني this 2 and ضرب x 2 ضرب x and here y موجود فقط so here y okay is it clear or explain again okay no problem it's very simple you have to see Isara and go through Isara no problem here right you are present okay 23 okay I will check this 23 I will check I will check okay so any problem here in the Rasam Bayani no okay so today I will stop here your course completes here okay and from the next lecture I will give revision okay and I will give you some I will give you one assignment more assignment homework 2 I will upload on the blackboard inshallah right darajat inshallah maybe tomorrow or maybe today Akhtabar 2 exam 2 yes today inshallah in the night inshallah today okay so from the next lecture yes you can go now